The iMac G3 might be my most favorite Mac out of all of Apple's products. With the sleek, aero translucent plastic, the clear white bezel on the front, and the general shape of it, mainly because of the CRT, it's just straight out of the 2000s, which is why I love it. The iMac G3 was introduced in 1998 when Steve Jobs returned to Apple, basically with a loan from Bill Gates, saving Apple. That's right, the brand of computer or phone that you are watching this video on nearly went bankrupt in the 90s. Here's my summer 2000 Ruby iMac G3 that I paid $75 for on Facebook Marketplace. Surprisingly, the machine was in good place despite being in what I now know as a sketchy neighborhood and not a really good landlord. I may have got that wrong because I don't know the full story, but anyway. When I went to go pick this Mac up, I had to help the guy pull it out because it was in this some sort of strange garage storage unit that I could only imagine what was in there. Boxes on top of boxes, high and low. And right there, sitting on a cardboard throne, sat a Ruby iMac G3. Previously, I've only seen these in photographs, so to be able to actually see one in person and hold it for myself really gave into perspective of how truly huge this thing is. I could only imagine my 10-year-old ass 4 years ago going absolutely bananas knowing that in just under 4 years he'd be getting his dream all-in-one PC from the 90s. Luckily, I was able to test the Mac before taking it home, unfortunately placing it on top of an ant nest. I don't think any ants had gone into it, but after plugging it in with a power cable that the guy had lying around, it fired right up with no issues. Hearing that famous bong sound from the speakers, that old IDE hard drive spinning to life, macOS 10.3.9 started loading. Immediately observing this, I handed the guy $75, loaded up in the back of my van, and drove home with a big fat smile on my face. Alright, so welcome to my little workstation. Today's character, an Apple keyboard from 2005, which I'll be using for the iMac G3. One of these keys are stuck. Also, it is very nasty. I'm not sure how well you can see this on the GoPro. Multicam setup, I know it's fancy, but this thing is disgusting.
Well, it was funny, yes. Disgusting!
Bought this keyboard from a Mission Thrift for $15. Check that out. Amazing. I love going there, and I haven't had something this lucky in a very long time. It's like finding these keyboards are like trying to find a pot of gold. You're just not gonna find one in the wild like this. So I got pretty lucky, and this is actually pretty good nick. You know, most of these are pretty yellow now, and also one thing I did notice is that these F keys, or these top layered keys, are more whiter than the ones on the left. So something was obviously over this, practically keeping this intact from whatever UV rays were bouncing off of this and turning them yellow. And I just like touched every single key. My hands feel disgusting now. So what am I gonna do about it? Well, let's open this package and see what we got. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. That's right. I need to calm down. This is a keyboard cleaning kit, but the main reason why I'm here is for the actual key remover. Ugh, look at that. This will make the process so much more easier, and also just because I'm lazy. Look at that. Ugh. Ugh. You want a question mark? Oh man, that's disgusting. Well, no, why am I putting it back? So what are we gonna do with this? What are we gonna do? Well, called a toothbrush and a bowl. Ow, frick. And a bowl. I'm gonna make keycap stew. Wanna know how to make keycap stew? Here's how. So before we get to cleaning this, I don't even know if this works. I just bought it and it's been sitting here ever since I got it. So since my iMac is over there, let's just go test it. Come on. Alright, welcome to the slop. So this is my little setup. Don't mind the mouse. I have very negative amount of surface area. Can't really move that far. I don't know, I'm lying at this point. It's just the only mouse I can use right now. Boop. So welcome to my little place, as you can see. Booted. I'm actually running a different version than what you were seeing earlier. I remember what it is. 10.3. 0.9 I think is what it was running last time. I don't remember. It was like 3 months ago. Seriously, all the footage you saw me cleaning this thing was like 3 months ago. This thing's been sitting out for a while. I've not done anything with it other than downgrade to macOS 9, change my mind, and then bring it back to macOS 10. So now we got the keyboard here. Let's give it a test. I forgot, I have no space. Do I have anything? Is there a way to space without pressing the space bar? I don't know how this happened. Oh, whoa! I did it! I don't know how. I'm never doing that again. The quick... Ooh, the C key's also stuck as well. Okay. I'm gonna try and do the alphabet. A, B, C... Oh, D, E. I should be doing this with gloves on. This felt nasty the entire time and I hated it. Wow! I barely typed in a freaking space. That works. Alright, so the reason why I was so surprised that it worked was because I only paid 15 bucks for this. Usually people online want $30 to $50 for it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fill this bowl with warm, slightly, and soapy water. And I'm gonna take each keycap, all the keycaps off, throw them into here, scrub them with this toothbrush, and also clean the inside with some isopropyl alcohol. Let's get it. So this is nasty. A bug has gotten inside of this keyboard. There's like bug flies, or bug wings, and feces up in this keyboard for who knows how long this has been here. And yes, I know that I haven't filled this with water yet. I do realize, ew! They all like got squashed on these pins, and I see the culprit already. The pin is not supposed to be there. That's actually keeping the key down. It's not supposed to be there. This thing is so nasty. Oh my gosh, that's also very loud. Very, very nasty. I don't like... Oh gosh. How? Oh, okay. Oh, ew! There's bug guts, and there's a whole bug in here. At least I think that's a bug. Oh. Poor little Jimmy got squashed up in here. Oh, kill me now. Oh. This is like one of the... I don't know where he... Can't see anything. There is literally a shiny whatever on my hand. That is so nasty. I don't know what that is. Well, it's bug guts, obviously. But we don't know exactly what it is, which is like worse. Oh gosh.
So here's how you make keycap stew. Fill up the sink, preferably a bathroom sink, with warm water and add dish soap. Now grab your grimy keyboard caps of preference. This is hard stuff, so don't take it all at once. Unless if you're me, of course, and you just grab the whole damn bowl and throw it in there.
This feels so weird to just be doing. Oh yeah, oh, this is disgusting.
I had also thrown a towel on the floor to put the keycaps on after they were washed. Unfortunately, due to life, I have to cut this video short. I really wish I could, but I just want to get this video up. I'm feeling very ill and have not finished cleaning the keyboard, so I just want to get this out and do a separate part later. Stick around on my channel for part 2. Anyway, until then, see ya.